Hey everyone, during this tutorial we will see how to create a Jenkins slave on a virtual or remote machine connecting via SSH. If you are new here, make sure to click that subscribe button. Before we start, it's mandatory to have an SSH server installed on the remote machine. We learned how to do that in one of the previous tutorials. You can find its link in the description below. In this video, we will be using an Ubuntu virtual machine in VirtualBox. As a recap from the previous tutorials, we have the Jenkins master running in a Docker container with a port mapping that makes it accessible from the local machine. Let's get started by creating a new Jenkins node. Click on Build Executor Status, New Node. I will name it Ubuntu. Click on Permanent Agent, OK. In the previous tutorials, we've already seen what are all these fields referring to. However, I will leave the link in the description below. For now, let's focus on the most important fields, starting with the number of executors. Set the number of 2 executors. The remote root directory expects an absolute path on the remote machine where the configuration files will be saved. Feel free to use your own path, but for example purpose, I will just create a new folder in the remote machine and use its path. We can set the label to Ubuntu, leave the default option for the usage, and the launch method will be via SSH. The host is the remote machine's IP address. We also have to store in Jenkins the remote machine's user credentials. Click Add, Jenkins. As you can see, the username on the remote machine is RV. So we can simply say RV. The password. And it's optional, but we can insert a brief description. Add. From the drop-down menu, select the credentials. It's important to set the verification strategy to manually trusted. Click Save. We notice that the new node appeared in the table. Click on it. Voila! It seems to be up and running, ready to receive build executions.